If your toilet keeps giving you that half-flush mess, it's probably a faulty flapper chain causing an incomplete flush, and fixing this is way easier than you think. So here's the deal. First, check the chain that connects the flush handle to the flapper at the bottom of the tank. If it's too loose, the flapper won't lift all the way, and if it's too tight, it might keep the flapper from sealing right. You want to have just enough slack so the flapper lifts fully but still falls back into place to seal properly. If the chain looks rusty or worn out, swap it for a new one. These chains are cheap and easy to find at any hardware store. While you're at it, clean any gunk or mineral buildup around the flapper, because that can stop it from sealing tight, causing leaks and weak flushes. Don't forget to test flush a couple of times after adjusting or replacing the chain to make sure everything works smoothly. If the flapper itself is cracked or warped, replacing it altogether is usually your best bet for a solid flush every time. And remember, a well-maintained flush not only saves water, but keeps your bathroom feeling fresh and less frustrating. One of the biggest mistakes with fixing a faulty flapper chain is not adjusting the chain length correctly. The chain being too long or too short causes that incomplete flush issue, so always aim for just the right slack. Another common problem is ignoring a worn-out flapper. If it's old and brittle, no amount of chain tweaking will fix your flushing troubles, so replace it right away. The third issue is leaving mineral buildup or dirt on the flapper seat uncleaned. This stops the flapper from sealing properly and wastes water, so give it a good scrub before assuming the chain is the only problem. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking up homeowners with trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff. Contractors also get a legit platform to find steady work and grow their business without all the hassle.